Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to get verified on Google AdSense without using a PIN. And yes, this is working in 2025 method. So step 1, log into your Google AdSense account and check if you have reached the $10 verification threshold. Step 2, if your PIN hasn't arrived after 4 weeks, go to the Verify Your Address page. Step 3, click on Resend PIN up to 3 times. If that is still undelivered after 3 times, the contact support option will appear. Step 4, upload a scanned valid government-issued ID and proof of address, like a utility bill or bank statement. Step 5, submit the form and wait 1 to 3 business days. If approved, your account will be verified without the PIN. So make sure that your document matches the exact name and address in your AdSense account. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.